Prepare for a thrilling water adventure as the captain navigates through bays and inlets while your local guide gives you insights on the land, the air, and the sea. Aboard the boat, you will have the opportunity to see the abundant wildlife of Southeast Alaska, such as eagles, porpoises, and seals. Make your way into the heart of Grand Island State Marine Park in Silverking Lodge, where you can view the underwater dock camera, check out the fisherman's catch of the day, and discover the secrets of the rainforest trails. Venture back to the lodge for the famous seafood boil, including fresh Dungeness crab, shrimp, mussels, clams, and so much more. From an adventure to Alaska's fresh seafood,